Hello everybody, this is Omar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing about how to import products from different websites to your Shopify store. Now there is a link in the description of this video using which you can get first month on Shopify for just $1, so make sure to use that link. And then you will be able to see that there is a link to donate to our channel as well, so it will be a huge support for us guys. So basically now to add products from other stores to your Shopify store is pretty simple. From your Shopify admin, go to products and click on import. Once you click on import, there is an option to add a file that you need to be clicking, and then select the CSV file that you want to import. And we have an optional step in here. So what you can do is, if you want to publish a new product only to your store instead of all your sales channel, then deselect publish new products to all sales channel. And once you do that, another thing is, which is optional as well, to change the URLs by overriding the values for existing handles. Select override products with matching handles, and existing values will replace for all columns including in the CSV. And then you need to click on upload and continue. Once you do that, review the details about the import and then click on import products, and with that being said, your products will be imported. So that's a pretty simple process on how to, and I hope this helped. If it did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply get first month on Shopify for just $1 and donation as well. So yeah, it will be a huge help. Subscribe and head over to Tutorials Hub for more videos like these.